Okay, so here we are at the step where we've got our 3D printed part, or at least a 3D printed part that we think is going to work. And we have our piece of electronic gear that we're trying to protect. So we've clipped all the pieces and we're ready to go. And so this is one of those parts where, it comes down to, did you put it together right? So this part has a couple of features, these peg points that will hopefully interact with these pieces here. We also added in where the keychain connector would be, as per requested in the criteria. We also have this little dip piece put in here for where the LED will interact with the piece. So if we take this and put this in here like this, hey, look at that, those pegs are in the right place, they slide right through. Looks like it lines up with the LED. So we're feeling pretty good about it, but oh my goodness, we mismeasured, and our hole locations for the front part of the circuit board do not line up. So it looks like we're going to have to print another bottom piece with the appropriate changes in order to allow for this to work. We also have to print the top cover that's going to go on top of this, that allows for me to use this on-off switch and allows for me to change this battery if necessary. So those are the next pieces. So I actually have to go back, fix this component so that these pegs fit, and then of course I want to make sure that, and for alignment purposes, and then I want to make sure that I have the ability for me to create a top cover that will allow this still to function. But we're on the right track. All right. Hopefully this gives you some clues or some thoughts on successful ways to solve this problem.